Hello everybody, welcome to the video. I don't like that intro. Hey guy, you like it?
Love the intro.
Oh, my mom likes it. Okay, we'll keep that. Today is a Monday. It is the beginning of the week. So we just went shopping for literally 4 hours. We left at 11:30, got back at 3:30. And we went shopping for all the ingredients. We're gonna be making probably like 5 to 6 different things this week that we've never made before, recipes. So for tonight, we are going to, what's it called, the protein bowl?
It's called a butternut squash burrito bowl, but instead of butternut squash, we're using sweet potatoes instead.
Yeah, so let's start this recipe of the day. Sitting at the table because I don't feel like standing in the kitchen. Yeah, just gonna peel these taters.
Potatoes, small 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 potatoes on the moon, small potatoes in the sea, small potatoes take a bath, small potatoes sing with me, small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes, small potatoes.
This is taking forever. Chopping the sweet potatoes into little blocks. Gosh, this is hard. Cutting cilantro and these little tomatoes. I love the smell of cilantro and my hands smell like it. Alright, so these are our ingredients. We have some bell peppers, kale, tomatoes. This is our sweet potatoes I cut up. What's in this bag?
It's like a mixture of like 5 or 6 different spices.
With spices, okay. This is some wild rice, and then we have black beans.
And we're gonna have avocado on it, and then the dressing.
Yeah, so I will tell you guys or like put the recipe somewhere on the screen eventually. But I think we're just about to get everything in the oven. Okay.
All right. What are you doing?
We've got 1/3 of a cup of cilantro, 1 cup of this
Plain Greek yogurt. Okay, what? My God, it's right on my face.
We're doing the lime zest next.
1 teaspoon lime zest.
She's zesting the lime. Lime zest is in it. Everything's done. So we're gonna put it all together now. Some avocado. Thanks.
And then I will put a little cilantro. You like it?
It's yummy. Recommend this. I'll put the recipe somewhere. Screenshot that and make that ish. Currently making our second recipe. And for this, it's Thursday evening right now. I'm going to be putting together the dry ingredients for this, and then we're going to do the wet ingredients in the morning so we can get it done faster. I'm going to be making sweet potato pancakes. It calls for 2 cups of wheat pastry flour. I used whole wheat flour, that's good enough too. So 1 cup, 2 cups. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons sugar. 1, 2. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, so 1 teaspoon, and then 2. And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then half a teaspoon of salt. You gotta get some salt for flavor. And just sprinkle. That's all the dry ingredients. I'm just mixing it up, and then we'll put the wet ingredients in tomorrow morning. And I'll get back to you guys on this beautiful recipe. Good morning. It is the next day now. It's Friday. It's 9:30, and we're going to make the second part of our pancake mixture. So here we have the sweet potato, and it calls for 1 cup of mashed sweet potatoes. So I'm going to mash this in a bowl right now and then put all the ingredients together. Sorry, this is a weird angle. We have the mashed potato mix. Now I'm going to measure out a cup. I feel like this is a cup, but I'll get the measuring cup just in case. But so the whole bowl of potatoes was a cup. 3 eggs, I wish my mom was here to help me film. Like, this is kind of hard setting it up like this. Anyways, she's doing a workout, so I have to do this myself. 3. So now that we have 3 eggs, we're going to get 4 tablespoons butter and then 1 1/4 cup milk. Perfect, so now we have all of our wet ingredients, and I'm just going to mix those. Ugh, this is kind of disgusting. It's like lumpy. The wet ingredient mix looks like to me. And then over here we have the dry ingredients. So I think I'm gonna add them together very soon. What a horrible video. Like, I can't even get myself in this angle. It's just a mess. And my mom was telling me this is actually a waffle recipe, so if it's a little thick, the batter is, then just to add more milk to make it thinner for pancakes. So I'm going to mix this. Wow, I'm still not in the frame. Definitely gonna need more milk, like probably a lot. So I've probably added another full cup of milk, and the batter is looking like this. So I think I'm just gonna use it and then see and test it, and if it's still a little too thick, then I will add more milk to the batter, but let's see how this goes. This has been on. We're just gonna add. It smells really good. The batter actually doesn't look that too thick on here, so that's good. So this is the final result. I only made 3. There's still more batter over there, but I'm gonna let whoever wants more to make more because I have work, so I had to make them right away. But I'm gonna put some butter and syrup on them and then try them and let you guys know it is doused in syrup just the way I like it. Time for the official taste test. Those are really good. They're like super, super moist. Another one, good to go. For for our next recipe of this video, we're going to be making broccoli mac and cheese. So, first step is to boil the macaroni. So it calls for a full box of macaroni, and this recipe is going to feed 8 people. So we're gonna have leftovers, but that's what it'll be like. Alright, well, I forgot to vlog, but I just added the broccoli, and it's supposed to stay in the water for about like 2 minutes. I think I'm gonna do 3 because I want it a little softer. Oh, I didn't see either. Well, I just finished boiling the pasta and the broccoli. So we're gonna put it in this bowl. We're just gonna strain. Alright, well, my dogs are eating the scraps on the floor, so it's fine. Don't think anything's going to waste, because we're not a wasteful family.
See? Dog's eating the pasta. Another dog eating pasta.
Alright.
More pasta.
So, for the cheeses, we have 1.5 cups of Gruyere that I already shredded, and then 2.5 cups of sharp cheddar. And then we have 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/2 cup of milk. Yeah, we're gonna put the butter in first so it doesn't stick.
Right.
So this is the 2 tablespoons. And I'm actually gonna mix it off of the burner it was just on, but. So just gonna kind of, I don't wanna put it all in at once. You have to kind of work your cheese in as you go. So we're just gonna do about this much for now. And then we'll do a little bit of this. Just stir it in until it gets all melty, cheesy, good, yummy. Adding the milk, all of it.
Yeah.
Half a teaspoon of salt. Never forget salt. That's the most important ingredient. It truly is.
That's right. What is salt?
It's a mineral.
Yes, but what is it known for?
Flavor.
Being the spice of life. Because it makes everything taste better.
You put salt in everything. We're gonna add a little bit of pepper. Calls for pepper. It just says whatever you like. I'm just gonna do a little bit at the top, mix it all in.
Look at these two.
Alright, now for the taste test. Looks like a gooey good bite. It's good.
Yeah?
Next time, I would put the broccoli in for a little longer, just because I like my broccoli a little softer in pastas, but this is really good mac and cheese, like really good. And that was the 3rd recipe, and I'll see you guys later with the 4th.